Hey! Today I'm here to do another unpackaging unboxing, and this time it's for a brand I don't think I've actually talked about before. It's for ACDC Rag. They are a Harajuku based fashion brand who started out in the 1980s, and their whole like brand theme is like fashion without borders, which the way they explain it is basically they want like everyone to feel like they can wear what they want, different things, cute, quirky, gothy. ACDC Rag really like hit a lot of bases with their designs and overall brand. I ordered this last week. It's taken about 7 days to arrive. Sent by DHL. I did get a customs charge, of course. DHL do their customs really weirdly, so you actually receive the item, but then you don't have to pay the customs straight away. It's really weird. So anyway, I'm gonna get into this. Everything I got was like pastel. First, they have sent me a little disposable mask with a little note. I presume that's a thank you note. I will try and get that translated. But it's kind that they sent me a mask, especially during the current times. First up we have 2 pairs of sockies. I was very excited for these. So these go for like really crazy money. I got 2 pairs because they were cheap. So there's 1 pair. So they're knee-high socks and they look like they're dripping down your leg. I'm gonna have a fun time with these. They're really soft. They should be my size. They are made in Japan. So that's 1 pair. And then the other pair, very similar, just a different colourway. It's got the nice blue. I'm excited to see what I can do with these. I got these for like cybergoth when I go to slimes kind of vibes. Or maybe just walking down the street on a Tuesday. Who knows? Next up we have a pannier. That is very bright. So these are very popular with Fairy K. 6% Doki Doki and Bodyline also do panniers. There's other places that you can get them as well. But the ACDC Rag ones looked super cute. Oh, you can also get them from Listen Flavour. I had a Listen Flavour one, but it did not fit me. We have promise here. We have definite promise of this going on me. Very short, very cute. It's yellow, pink, purple, and then like a little blue ruffle. With socks. It's gonna look very cute indeed. So that was one of them. And then because they were half price, I was like, because they were half price when I ordered, that meant I could get another one. Ooh, that's a meaty mint. This is gonna be fun. The packaging is like super crinkly. So there's the other one. Once again, waistband does stretch. That was really cute. So we've got pink, we've got mint, we've got lavender, and we've got yellow. I'm looking forward to using these because I really like doing like multicolored looks with fairy. So just there's the 2. They're kind of similar ideas but different, and I feel like that's good, and also I feel like now I can be a cheerleader. And now onto the final item. Yes. I was very excited for this. This is the ACDC rag yukata. Hoping we're going to be fine with this. I'm planning on wearing it as like an open, long, jackety thing. Ooh, there's the print. The print is cute. It's all pastel and cakes. And there's the front. Everything's still with tags. And it's delightfully long. On their website they have them like advertised just as wearing as jackets. So I'm excited. I'm excited for the looks I might be able to do. So I've got everything on now. The yukata is absolutely everything. It's really cute. It's a lot shorter than I expected. I've had actual like normal yukatas before and they've come in a bit longer. The socks are really cute. They're very thin. And this bit was really hard to get up my legs. It's really like solid here. So if you've got bigger legs than me, you may struggle with these. I mean, I struggled enough. So I'm also wearing both of the panniers. I bought, these are very, very short. So I've got this one where I'd normally like it to be. There is still room in the elastic, but I wouldn't recommend it for anyone who is bigger than me unless you're shorter. I'm about 5'7". Let me lift that up. So as you can see, the lower one is right on my hips, which I don't love, but I don't hate. But I think with like these Listen Flavour tops I have that are longer, it's going to be fine. I'm definitely going to have to invest in some like proper Fairy K kind of bloomers, because these are just my white Lolita ones. But while this isn't like, you know, a complete and cohesive look, I'm really happy with what I've bought. I'm gonna have to have some fun with this. I want to do like maybe sweet Wah Lolita, which is a like OTT sweet Wah. I think that would be cute. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time. Very important update. I was just taking this off. It has pockets.